I have a really hard time believing that these are the prices of these items. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm glad you are here. If you are an OG subscriber, thank you for coming back. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're just passing by, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Ring the bell button so you can get notified every time I post. I post every Sunday and Wednesday. Also follow me on Instagram because I post over there updates on all the items that I review here. So if you guys don't know me, I am a professional reviewer. I review a lot of items from e-commerce companies. I post on their websites what my impressions are of their items. No, I don't make a living as far as making money out of it, but I get a lot of stuff. And I will always in this channel identify to you guys what I've been paying with my own pocket, with my own money, and what I get for free. Today is no different. Today I'm doing a Ipsy subscription box. I purchased this Ipsy box with my own money. This is the premium. If you guys don't know what Ipsy is, monthly subscription box. This one is the Glam Plus because I was doing the Glam bag and the Glam bag was very disappointing. I couldn't even say how much that bag was worth because the items will come in tiny little packs, but they will give me the full size price. So it was really confusing. Now I am doing the Glam Bag Plus. I'm pretty excited because all the items here are full size. And since I was in Florida for the longest time, I kind of like canceled my every month Ipsy. I have now skipped a month. The Ipsy videos don't do very well in my channel, but some of you guys like it, so I'm not completely going to cancel it, but I might not do as many as I used to every month. But let's see. This one is to you, from you. Yes, definitely, because I pay for it. All right, so here's our Ipsy box. Discover Yourself. April 2020, full bloom. So the first thing I got here is a Tartist eyeliner, dual side eyeliner. Again, we are with one of those very disappointing and wasteful boxes. So one side is a liquid liner. So this one is our liquid liner side, and this one is our pencil side. I'm not angry at this. Ooh, wow, this is very nice. This is very precise and creamy. All right, the pencil is not disappointing at all. And let's see what is the liquid liner about. Okay, I see. I am very excited. Okay, so the top one is the pencil. Ignore this line right here. This is from another video. So here, this is the pencil and this is the liner. You can see that it's bleeding a little bit. Maybe it's because of my old lady hands. Pretty sure it's gonna be really easy to use. Marvelous. SATIRE Triple Shot XXL Mascara. This one I'm actually very excited about. I like mascaras. This is a pretty standard packaging on the shade black. Pretty conventional spoolie. We are going to talk about it on Instagram. So go to my Instagram. Celine Cream Rose. The very best cream rose. I am really looking forward to these creams. It comes with a little seal. Right here is seal. It looks cute. It has a nice color. It smells really sweet. It's too sweet for me. I'm going to pass this along to my friend tomorrow. Oh, I can't be open. No. What is this? Pearl Lactic Jello Gloss Balm. Who thinks about these names? Oh, this is adorable. Oh, it's a chapstick. All right, cool. It looks like a chapstick. Ah. It smells like strawberries. This is definitely coming with me to my endeavors. The last full-sized item here is a palette. Shayna B Miami eyeshadow palette. Palette de sombra para ojos. Here we go. This is the packaging, and then you slide it. And here we go. Here on this sleeve, you have some of the colors right there, but let's open this baby up. Cafecito, South Beach, Winwood, Biscuit Cane, All Over Nude, Border Princess, Everglade, and Heat. This is very cute. However, these colors are everywhere in all of my other palettes, so I will put this right back where it belongs, and I will put this on a giveaway. So this is going to go to a giveaway. And last but not least, we have the baggie. Here is our Ipsy baggie. those are the items. Let's talk about the value of this box. What I like about the $25 box is the fact that I not only am able to know accurately the value of these items, but also we get like a free little bag, which is great. The SATIRE London Triple Shot XXL Mascara is $22. Sometimes I don't believe that these people sell these things for these prices. This is crazy. The Miami Eyeshadow Palette, Shayna B, Miami, $20. And then the Cella Cream Rose, $39. Seriously? Ipsy? I don't know if these things are really that expensive or Ipsy's just making up some prices. The Tartiste liner is $24, that I believe. And then the gloss, the Girl Lactic gloss is $18. Would you pay $18 on that gloss? Like, seriously? It makes the box value at $123. I have a really hard time believing that these are the prices of these items. I don't know. Do you know Shayna B? Is this worth 20 bucks? I'm always a little disappointed with Ipsy in the end of the day because it's either the price or the items. I don't know. But let me know, you guys, what do you think? What do you think about my Ipsy experience to you so far? Like, I am actually happy that now the items are full size. But let me know, what do you guys think? What do you guys like better, Boxycharm or Ipsy? This is it for me, you guys, in this box. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. I would love to have you here. Ring the bell button so you can get notified every time I post. I post every Sunday and Wednesday. Also follow me on Instagram. That's where I post my updates on these items that I do a first impression here. As well as I have plenty of content for you to binge watch. Don't forget to leave some love in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye. The Tartiste. Subscribe, ring the bell button. Ring the bell button so you can get notified. I have friend links for Ipsy.
Sick. Don't call me ever. No, I'm kidding.